So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to force drain a Samsung dishwasher, button, service mode and manual pump out. So method first is using cancel or drain. Turn on the dishwasher, press and hold the smart button for 3 to 5 seconds, release the button. The dishwasher will start a drain cycle immediately. Wait 1 to 2 minutes to hear water draining out. Second method is service mode. Turn off the dishwasher, press and hold heavy plus delicate plus power button together for approximately 2 seconds. Service mode activate with all LED lighting up. Press the normal button repeatedly to cycle through test mode. Select the drain or pump test mode. Close the door to initiate the drain pump operation. Third method is manual pump out. Turn off power for safety. Open the dishwasher, remove the bottom rack, take out the filter by twisting and lifting. Use a sponge or cap and a towel to remove standing water. Clean the filter and reinstall it. Thanks for watching.